to explain a basic concept in Java programming, which is the basement for developing any Java program. They are called the data types. Basically, this data types is for making the compiler know how the user wants to use his data in the program. So these data types not only helps the user, so as the compiler to change to compile the code, to compile our code, we use these data types. So the main classification of these data types are the primitive data types and the non-primitive data types. There are a basic 8 primitive data types and they are inbuilt. These primitive data types are classified as numeric and the non-numeric. Contains the integer, float, character, and the boolean, whereas this integer again classified as byte, short, int, and long. Floating point again classified as the double and the float. When it comes to the non-numeric primitive data types, they are the character and the boolean. When it comes to non-primitive data types, these are the referenced or the user defined. That means the user can define his data type. They are the strings and arrays. So let me just explain you this concept with the help of a program. So here I'm considering a basic HackerRank program to print the different data values considering user input at the runtime. So let me just proceed with the code. This is what our problem statement is. So our input contains the 3 lines, where the first line contains the integer, second line contains the double, and the third line contains the string. So let me just proceed with my code here. So they have already considered the statement. So I am directly going to the next second and the third variable. They are the double, and variable name of double is t. So we have to consider the scan statement, next double, so that our code will consider the second value as double. So let me just proceed with our third variable called the string. So we can consider the value of the string as scan.next, or else we can use the scan.next line, so that we can consider all the string values considered in that line. And I have mentioned the string variable name as s. So let me just consider that scan dot next line. Yeah. Good practice is that if we consider a scanner class, it has to be closed, so that there will be no consequences when we compile our code. So let me just run my code. Yeah, it passed out successfully. So this is how we are going to implement these data types in our Java programming.